Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XR or the XR from Total Wireless. So this is the newer design of the iPhone XR. If you guys haven't seen this phone, it's been around for some time. It was released back in 2018. It's been 3 years since it was released, but there's a lot going on for this device, and that's why we're going to take a look at this device and unbox it for you guys. Also, if you guys are looking for a phone like the one we have at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the links in the description section. So this one was around 220 after taxes, depending on when you get it. You might not see it, but it was directly brought from Total Wireless, which is a brand in the US. So if you're a carrier in the US, so if you're out of the country here or somewhere international, you won't be able to get this. So that's going to be the first thing. So we're going to go ahead and take this out. As you can see here right now, this will also work on Straight Talk and Total Wireless. So they're probably partner or companies or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and take this off here. Go pull this tab off. It's a little bit tricky because there's a little bit of that thing for the actual Total Wireless service. So as you can see here, there we have it, the box itself. It's a smaller box. When it originally came out, it definitely was the bigger box with everything included, but now you don't get any of that. So the only thing you get in the box is the phone, as you can see here, and then the USB Type-C charger. So these are the newer chargers, so you can charge this. You need to get one of this block, so these ones you have to buy separate. These cost around somewhere between $20 to $30, depending on where you get it from. And you can't be using these anymore. You can use the old charger. The new charger that's in the box here will not work. So this charger that you see, it's not a USB-C. This is a B. It's a USB-C. So this, as you can see, won't fit in here anymore. So that's why you need this type of charger to charge it. But nonetheless, if you have the older charger, you can use the older charger. It just won't be charging as fast as these new chargers. So that's going to be what's going to be included. And of course, the other thing included here is going to be the pamphlet with the sticker and just that. So we did a couple other unboxing. Similarly, we saw the same thing in the newer iPhone 13 lineup, which we did unboxing for exactly as the same exact thing. So the 13 Pro here that we have has the same thing in the box, so you're not getting much in these boxes nowadays. Apple really did slim down there, so that's going to be that. And now we're going to go ahead and power on this device. We'll put this aside. Let's go ahead and power the device on. Hopefully it has charged. Sometimes when you do buy iPhones, it might not turn on right away. That's because it's been in a warehouse or somewhere for a very long time, and eventually with any sort of battery it dies down and you just have to recharge it. As you can see, we're seeing the Apple logo, which is a good sign here, and now the hello screen. And after that, you can simply go ahead and set this one up. This one, because it's really cheap, you can actually use this device on, so I'm just putting in the password here. You can use this device on Wi-Fi if you didn't want to get Total Wireless or Straight Talk plans, but because these phones are from a specific carrier, it's going to be locked till you meet the requirement to get them unlocked. So that's the difference between buying it from a carrier and buying unlocked phones. Generally, unlocked phones are a little bit more expensive because you can go from one carrier to another, but the locked one, they will not allow you to do that. You can do only the carriers that they're specified for, and that's kind of the caveat to getting carrier locked phones versus the unlocked ones, which you can buy directly from Apple or use Amazon or eBay, as we just showed you guys in other videos. So here I'm just going to simply click through this. This is all explained in other videos. Simply you're creating a password, all of this stuff. We're just not simply doing it just for the sake of time here to show you guys that you can get brand new devices from carrier like Straight Talk, Total Wireless. Again, this video is not sponsored by anyway. We're just simply showing you guys another updated unboxing of the newer iPhone boxes that come in with the iPhone XR, as we did for other iPhones as well. It's just to show that it's a smaller box. You don't get the headphones, you don't get the power adapter anymore, and you don't get a lot of the stuff that you would get in the past. So as you can see here, the phone here, it's a pretty nice phone. It's actually a 6.1 inch Liquid Retina display. It has the A12 Bionic chip here, and if we look at the software, you can update it to iOS 15, but generally it doesn't come with iOS 15 out of the box. It comes with iOS probably here, as you can see, 14 is the latest one here, but this is a 64 gig, and we mentioned this was around, I think, 220 or 225, can't remember. Depending on what state you are in, you're going to pay taxes and all of that. So you can see, great device still, even in 2021, if you don't want to pay almost $1,100 for a new iPhone 13, and even 13 lineup right now are back ordered. So this is a good starter phone, or a phone that's good, kept our backup, because it has that full screen display. It's one of the ones that we use for a lot of our demos and such. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.